Hey everyone, welcome back to KSM Creative Corner. Today let's fix a common superscript mishap in Excel. Ever tried to show power using superscript like 2 minus 7 to the second power and it didn't work as expected? Using this superscript on number can confuse Excel, turning 2 squared into just 8 unexpectedly. This happens because Excel reads the visual format, not the mathematical intent. For the visual clarity without calculation, start with an apostrophe like this. Type apostrophe then 8 and then apply superscript and write minus 7 and you will see it will calculate the exact equation. Then write 2 with before apostrophe and then write 2, apply superscript and then a power of 8. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to KSM Creative Corner. Welcome to the future.